Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our Gatorback mud flaps for 2017 to current Ford 450 and 550 model trucks. And yes, that does mean that these flaps will fit on the new 2023 Super Duties. These flaps are a great way to protect and improve the overall look of your vehicle. As well, please note that these flaps will not work on 350 model trucks, and are designed to work in conjunction with the larger flares on the 450 and 550. With all that out of the way, let's get started. To start, let's take the factory mudguard off of the truck. Remove the 3 factory screws located on the front of the vehicle. Then move to the underside of the truck to where the factory bolt and push pin are located. Take them off. You can now remove the factory mudguard. Once the guard is removed, feel free to reinstall the factory screw and push pin removed from the underside of the vehicle. This is purely an aesthetic choice and is not a necessary step. Next, take the brace included with your kit and place it on the existing lower fender bolts on the inside of the vehicle. Loosely secure this brace in place using 2 serrated flange nuts. With the brace attached, go back to the inside of the wheel well and install 2 spring nuts onto the sheet metal located behind the plastic flare. Make sure these spring nuts line up with the 2 holes circled here. Now let's start attaching the flap. Grab your mud flap and washer plate, and attach the innermost hole of your flap to the brace we installed earlier using a cap screw, a stainless steel flat washer with a large inner hole, and a large inner hole nylon washer. Secure this hardware to the back of the brace using an aluminum flat washer, a lock washer, and a hex nut. This hardware can be seen fully installed in the following clip. With the inside attached, move to the outside hole of the flap and secure it in place using a sheet metal screw, a stainless steel flat washer with a small inner hole, and a small inner hole nylon washer. You only need to loosely secure this hardware in place. That way there's still room to adjust the mud flap's position when we level it later. Secure the remaining 2 holes on the center of the flap using the same hardware. With the square other leveling tool, make sure the mud flap is level. We also recommend you take a step back and visually gauge the mud flap to check that it is aligned correctly. Once your flap is level, secure all fasteners. We suggest you tighten this hardware by hand and be careful not to over tighten any fasteners. Congratulations! You've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flaps. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.